Okay, ready? 1, 2. This is Dolce. Take my makeup. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Kai here with a new video. Today's video is going to be a holiday glam inspired look, perfect for any holiday parties you might be attending. So yeah, that's basically it. I guess if you guys want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. Here we go. So first things first, we're going to be going in with the Milk Hydro Primer. We all know how much I love this stuff, so let's just get into it. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Power Fabric Long Wear High Coverage Foundation by Giorgio Armani in the shade 4.25. All right, foundation is done. Next, I'm actually going to go in with concealer. I'm going to be using 2 concealers today. The first concealer I'm going to be using is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade 2.8, just to spot correct a little bit. All right, now I'm going to be going in with my second concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Porcelain, and this is going to be going under my eyes. All right, next I'm going to be going in with the Sephora collection. This is the Baked Face Compact in the shade Light, and I'm just going to be using this to just set my under eyes a little bit. All right, now that my concealer is dried down a little bit, I'm just going to go in and blend that in with my finger. Alright, so for eyes, we're going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. I'm obsessed with this palette, you guys. I love to use this palette during the holidays. I think it has perfect shadows for the holiday time, holiday season, whatever you would like to call it. But let's just get into it. Alright, so the first shade we're going to be dipping into is the shade Birch, all the way in the top corner. And we're just going to be applying this as the transition shade. Next, we're going to be dipping into the darker, cooler brown called Twig, and we're just going to be putting that into the outer corner, just to deepen it up a little bit. And then I'm also going to be dragging that same shade down into the outer 1/3 of the lower lash line. Next, I'm just going to be going in with a blending brush just to kind of blend everything out, make everything a little bit more seamless. Next, I'm just going to be taking a flat brush and just spraying it a little bit with my Urban Decay setting spray. Next, for the shimmer, we're going to be going in with 2. We're going to be going in with Rose Quartz and also, what's this one called? Pearl. And we're just going to be patting that onto the lid. Next, I'm going to be taking just the Pearl shade and I'm going to be putting that in my inner corner and dragging it onto the lower lash line. Next, for liner, I'm actually going to be taking a shade from the palette. This is the shade Dystopian. It's a super dark brown, and I'm just going to be lining my lids with that. You know what, I just realized I need both hands to do liner. So I'm gonna go do my liner off camera and I'll be right back. All right, we have one last step, and that's we're just gonna go in with the Dystopian color on a packed brush and just smoke out the outer 1/3 of the lash line, just a little bit more. All right, so the eyeshadow is done. Now we're just gonna go in for lashes. Same as always, curler, heated curler, but I'm going to be using a new mascara that I'll be showing you. Alright, for the mascara, this time we're actually going to be going in with the CoverGirl Clump Crusher. This is the mascara that I wanted to use in my first video, but I didn't have because I left it in North Carolina. So I just recently got a new tube of it. It is by far one of my favorite mascaras. So we're just going to be going in with that. Next, for eyebrows, we're going to be going in with the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. This one is a bit different than the one I used in one of my other videos because this is the pointed tip as opposed to the angled tip. And this is also in the shade 4.5, so it's a little bit darker. So we're just going to be outlining, filling, shaping the brows. Next, I'm just going to be going in with the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 3. It's the eyebrow mascara. Alright, next for blush, we're going to be going in with a classic NARS blush, Orgasm. And I'm just going to be applying this to the high points of my cheeks. Next, going in with my Aesthetica Cosmetics contour palette. Again, taking the, that's the wrong one, the second darkest shade and just going in under my jawline with that. Last but not least, we're going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the color Rosewood. We're just going to apply this all over the lips. Finally, setting spray, and we are all set. Alright, I'll be right back. Gonna go do my hair. I will see you in a little bit. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I post every Tuesday and Saturday at 1 p.m. EST. You can follow me on Instagram at Kyle Regany. But anyway, that is it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.